Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. This is an insight into the Odu Ifa Okanran Meji. In this video, you are going to have an idea of what this Odu talks about. Okanran Meji takes the 8th position in the order of the 16 major Odu Ifa in Ifa Religion or Yoruba Religion, as you may wish to call it. Okanran Meji can be broken down into 2 Yoruba words. 1. Okan and 2. Oran, which can be translated to Okan means encounter and Oran means challenge. However, Okanran simply means the one who encounters a challenge. This Odu Okanran Meji is a representation of 2 dual forces, which are the seat of emotion and psychic energy. In the beginning of a stanza of this Odu, Ifa says in Yoruba language that ọ̀kànràn kan ní, ọ̀kànràn kan lọ́hùn, ọ̀kànràn di méjì, adire, meaning one ọ̀kànràn located here and another ọ̀kànràn located over there. Ọ̀kànràn becomes 2 and turns to blessings. This Odu tells us that this life is not a bed of roses, meaning we should expect challenges in life. And challenges get us stronger as humans. When the storm is over, the sun is going to shine. I think we all agree that nothing good comes so easy. For this reason, you need to face some challenges. You need to face some challenges before you enjoy the good things you desire. Pay attention to the verses of this stanza that I'm about to recite for you to understand what this Odu says. One ọ̀kànràn located here and another ọ̀kànràn located over there. Ọ̀kànràn becomes 2 and turns to blessings. This cast Ifa for Shango, the one who fights in the war front and conquer. When he was going to marry Oya, he was told to be calm. He was told that the wife he was going to marry is more upright in destiny than him. Shango replied, I will make sacrifice. He said, even if she's more upright in destiny than him, she is going to be his woman. Whenever Shango hits a place with a thunderstone, the whole world will scream aloud. But if Oya eats 2 people daily, no one hear anything. If she likes, she can blow her to a wall to eat someone behind it. If she likes, she can fall a tree to eat many. But if Shango eats only one person, the whole world will hear. He said, this is exactly how my Ifa priest speak well of Ifa. One Okanran here, another Okanran over there. 2 Okanran turns blessings. In this Odu, Ifa specifies that whoever is looking for good fortune should make sacrifice known as ebo for such good fortune to get to him or her. And this ebo will be prescribed by the Ifa priest known as Babalawo, who cast this Ifa for you. In the stanza earlier recited, Ifa lays emphasis on the need of sacrifice for Shango to get what he wanted. This Odu is also a warning not to scatter your attention, as it talks about new beginnings and changing of direction in your life. If you are to change your direction in life, you need to be focused and be directed towards a specific goal in order to be effective in life with your own hands. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.